Hey, in this video, I will show you how to make a realistic liquid simulation digitally because I can't afford a phantom camera. So some months ago, this dude made a viral video about him dropping a cookie into a glass of milk in slow motion. I wanted to recreate the thing myself, but I quit, like a little bit. That was up until I remembered my best friend, Blender. The reason I really like Blender is because it's free and because I can model stuff and slow time as much as I want in it. But before we do all the dumbass computer stuff, let's plan the actual video. So we're gonna need a cookie, a cup, a table, a light source, a phone, camera, and a tripod. Time to set up the scene. Alright, we are ready to shoot this thing. Now you may think it's easy, but getting the cookie in the mug whilst looking cool is a bitch. I got the shot after like 46 takes. For the part where the dude takes a picture and shows it to you, I used a green screen on my cell phone and took a raw photo of the mug from the same angle. Of course, I will do the actual picture with Blender. Time for the fun stuff. Except no, not yet. Even though we'll be recreating pretty much everything digitally, if we don't have the proper data, it will not look realistic. What data do we need? The lighting. So I proceeded to make a light map of the room from the cookie's perspective. We done. So I took 1,000,000 pictures and put them all in a software to do the hard work for me. This is taking way too much time though. So meanwhile, let's import the footage and finally start modeling.
Feel alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, might break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never lack those. She saw the stone, you know how that go. Fatality, my diamonds that cold. Versace trunks, I hit my backstroke. Knock on the door, she at the back, bro. All I really take is a little taste.
Finally, the light map is done.
Here for the thrill, I don't need a chaser.
Look at the difference that makes on the realism of the object. Time to make the cookie. But honestly, I'm not that good at modeling such complicated things. If only there was a way to import reality into Blender, it'd be wonderful. After waiting a little more for Mushroom to turn my cookie into a digital monstrosity, it was time for me to import it into Blender and start making the rigid body liquid simulation. Now I know that probably doesn't mean anything to you, but trust me, it's really cool.
Noi del Sud collezioniamo caffè a scrocco.
Chandelier, limousines. Really think I'm seeing things. Read the line in between.
And honestly, with the right tutorials, Blender is quite easy. After creating the domain, putting it inside the cup, and putting the milk simulation inside of there,
she said, boy, you in Morocco. Pearl white mention in the top gold.
You basically only have to tweak the settings so that things work and so that you like it.
The visa, really talking to a real life Mona Lisa.
Remember to be patient. And when you think the program couldn't be less responsive and more cursed, just remember that this will only get much, much worse. Okay, after rendering the animation, I cut out the green screen from the phone in After Effects, made the fake picture with Blender, and tracked it onto the original clip. And that's the picture effect done, completing the final video. Just need to record the sound effects, and yeah, we are done. We are done. Let me know what you think of the video in the comments. Keep existing. Bye.